Gold yesterday reached the target I was mentioning, 2550.00, a pretty strong support level. And then the gold has also reacted as it was expected. I have said that there will be a retrace from this area, and this was happening yesterday, where we can see the price touched this support and also this demand zone. The wick has gone all the way back down, or even more down than I was expecting that it will go, and then the price retraced back up. We can see the small bearish body with a long wick on the lower side. This is just indication of this bearish breakout of the smaller support, where this trend line is acting now as a support, and we can see after this one the price tried to move up, testing the previous support, now acting as a resistance and then drop it down. We can see that with a small candle body, which is currently formed as a bullish pin bar. Usually whenever there is a pin bar formed on the chart on the gold, it is usually meaning the direction where the price will go, but only if this pin bar has been created at the specific support or resistance. That means currently this pin bar has been formed between this resistance, which is a supply zone, and this support, which is a great support. So we have a confluence of resistance, a supply zone, and we have a pretty strong support at demand zone. That's why the price is in between these two levels. And this pin bar, which is a bullish, is showing that the price could go above, but it is in the middle. It is not right here at the great support. If this pin bar has been created here at the support, I would also be bullish oriented from this area of the support, going upwards towards this supply zone here, 2586.24. But because of the price is in between these two levels, I'm still open to see the price going further down, which means I am currently open to see the price going lower to 2550.00, and from there I will wait for the price to see what is going to happen. Now for that, in order to happen, I need to see the price going lower on the lower time frames, which means lower than 2563. This is the area where the small support currently is. If it breaks, this will mean that the price will try to reach again 2550.00 as a support level. Now yesterday I also mentioned with the traders inside the Telegram group that there is a potential bearish breakout happening, and also on the smaller levels, which is a 4-hour time frame and also 1-hour time frame. Whenever the breakout has been forming here, I also mentioned that with the traders inside the Telegram group, so they are informed where the price is heading and also what are the targets. Now we can see yesterday the prices formed these bearish breakouts, trying first of all, we can see just a minute, the resistance was 2586.24. We can see that 2586.24 was here. We can see that the price has made a bearish breakout and it was heading down. Whenever the breakout happened, like in this example, this also information was shared inside the Telegram group with the traders, so they are informed. Now yesterday I also mentioned that there is a bullish potential retrace here at this support, and the price has done right that, going all the way back up, not reaching 2586.24. Because of this also confluence of resistance. We can see that here 4-hour time frame resistance level with this trend line acting as a great supply zone, which means a resistance, currently preventing the price from going even further up. Now for this, in order to go down even further, I will watch on the lower time frame, like 1-hour time frame, 4-hour time frame, to see when the bearish breakout happens. This will indicate further decline to 2550.00. But also if the breakout happens on the higher level, and that means breaking above the resistance, which will be around here, the target will be again 2586.24. But I'm much more inclined to see the price going further down because of this also confluence of resistance, which could be touched and then move down. This is something that I'm currently watching. The third thing that I'm also expecting and also being cautious is that it is Friday, and Friday is usually the day when the traders get out from their trades, so there is potentially some kind of rogue movements against the technical analysis. So I am paying attention to avoid trading later afternoon, but everything to do before the afternoon. So this is all for this day. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.